Hello everyone and welcome to AI Make Money channel. Today, we've got something special for you. A look into the world of AI tools that have the potential to not only save you time but also make you money. You've probably heard about AI changing the game in various industries, and today, we're going to talk about file AI tools that are doing just that. Let's start with two powerful AI tools, 10web.io and durable.co. These tools are fantastic for web development. They have dramatically reduced the cost of creating a website. Building websites can be a cumbersome process, but tools like these can design, build, write copy, and even source imagery for a website in a matter of minutes. Imagine how much time and money you can save with this technology. Creating a website has never been easier. You can also use durable.co to build a website in 30 seconds with AI. Get your business online in 3 clicks. Effortlessly customize your site. Start marketing right away. Short-form content is all the rage these days. With our next tool, Opus Clip, you can turn long-form videos into short-form content with a single click. Opus Clip also features an AI copilot that can clip specific parts of your video based on keywords. It's a game changer for content creators. Email management can be a real-time sync, but ChatGPT Writer is here to help. This Chrome extension uses AI to quickly and easily reply to emails. It's a fantastic way to streamline your email communications and save precious time. Plus, it can be a great asset for your business. Now, let's talk about Tidio AI. It's an AI-powered chatbot that can either replace or assist your customer support teams. This leads to increased sales and net income. It can answer customer queries quickly and accurately, and if needed, it can refer customers to human agents. Tidio AI is a game changer for customer support teams and businesses looking to enhance customer satisfaction and, in turn, boost sales. In conclusion, these AI tools are changing the game when it comes to saving time and making money. Whether you're in web development, content creation, email management, or customer support, there's an AI tool out there to make your life easier and more profitable. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. That's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Make Money channel for more exciting content on AI and other tech-related topics. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.